All right. Good morning to you. Good afternoon. Good evening to some of you. Welcome back to my channel. How are we all doing? I hope all is well with you. Yesterday, I predicted that some people will come up with the idea that the fact that American president wrote to DPM that is fake. Some said that it's automated message. Some said that like it's auto reply. Some said that this and that. I'm gonna come back on that later. Today, hopefully on a live broadcast, we're gonna come live today. Just keep your eyes on that. We will dwell more on that because I want to bring to you different reaction, different opinion. People have said a lot about it, and I think it's worth sharing. So that will gonna be our program later today. But here this morning, I will have something to share with you. Somehow it's related to that, of course, but in a different way. As you can see the title, okay? Controller General of Fake Brgie, aka Ogenkere, and his followers, and CRC Republic in a war of words, exchange of words, banter. It's something very, very funny, but not really funny because at the end of the day, now we do ourselves. You see, in life, what you like must not be what I like. That is what I want us to get very, very clear. We must not agree on one thing. It's not possible to do. Some are yet to understand this. I don't know why it's difficult for people to understand. I don't know why. So in the midst of all this, DPM, have not actually said something negative in that regard. She just made a tweet with that letter. Whether it's automated or not, you need to understand that she did not claim anything. We shared it here. Honestly, I've seen series of reactions from different angles, especially both these two parties. 4 Deep, aka CRC Republic, and 4 Back, aka Ogenkere Committee of Friends. These people are bringing now their own banter in different ways. And General Biafrans are now the one doing some more investigative work on that. They are trying to do research to figure out what happened. Who is even serious? Who is this person? You can see the picture here. This is from Croc. They just asked the different questions, and guess what? Some of the response are superb. This morning, I want us to start with the banter first before we can now come to the issue of this. Because some people ask questions if that is genuine or not, and Croc actually answered that question perfectly. Like I said, focus on the title before what she has said before that letter itself. I have received some messages, different reaction from different people, like I told you, trying to blame her. Oh, she's lying to people. She's deceiving their friends. That's why, because of I have a lot to talk about it. That's why I have to come live to discuss about it, because we're going to go through it. They're going to talk about it in detail so that we can understand more about it, especially the issue of that she's lying. We are going to talk about it. Now, let me bring this down and to present to you from X. The person you are seeing here is in Nkiru. I'm not the one that, snap how, not that purple, the poster. Now, this post here, what you are seeing here, this one here is, you can see Biafran de facto government. All right. And this one is a mighty thunder. Okay. I don't know who is the person. I thought I was thinking that it's a mighty dot, but one is a mighty thunder. No, this mighty thunder, made this publication saying totally resigned from the fourth Brigade. Totally resigned from the 4th Brigade. after long-term damage control. Honestly, I don't know what the person want to say here, but the person actually tagged this, with the Nkiru picture. Now, when you come here, they have only, this have only, how many comment? Let me see. Recent comment. Is there any recent comment? Only one comment here, but I can see 3 registered here. I don't know why it's showing only one comment. View quotes, nobody. Okay, this person quote. Okay, so here, let's just focus on this one. Now, after making this headline, this referent de facto government, of course, Ogekere Group, okay, copied it and said, you cannot lie to yourself. If Brgie is defunct, it will not be resonating in Washington, and your Honorable Fulani will not be attaching Brgie to her false posts for relevance. The person who resigned from Brgie can go and keep Simon together with Honorable Fulani while we keep Biafra. Listen very carefully. Because of this one, that is why I'm recording the video, to be honest with you. It's not about Nkiru or what this person said here. I don't care. Okay, anybody have right to say what he or she felt like to believe in. You can just say this is your mind. But this post, I'm going to read it again. I want to ask you, you may not see what this post carries until I begin to talk about it now. Some of you may see, some may know what the post is all about, some may not know, but you are going to have, this post well explained to you now. First and foremost, he said, you cannot lie to yourself. If Brgie is defunct, it will not be resonating in Washington, and your Honorable Fulani will not be attaching Brgie to her false posts for relevance. Let me edit it because I'm going back to this part too. Now, from this, you can tell that the person that made this post is USB supporter. All right? We can agree on that, right? Good. Now, he said again that Brgie, that is not default. When you say Brgie, in grammar is problem. When people say that Brgie is, fake Brgie and original Brgie, when you say fake Brgie, does not mean that Brgie is fake. You're talking about the version of Brgie that is fake. And that one is the one Ogekere and this before Black Republic are the one, the one that are using to deceive themselves. That's not the original Brgie. What is the intention of Ogekere? Bearing Brgie that is somehow, not even somehow, that is originated or formed, piloted or directed by PM. He's the one that is in charge. Just like he's in charge of USB. Because everything is having his brain behind it. You get the point. Now, when Ogekere started using Brgie, that is not the Brgie that people wanted. That's not the Brgie that people actually voted for. That's not the Brgie that people actually supported. Those of them running around him are those who are on a different mission. We all know this. When you think that Honorable Fulani is attaching the Brgie for relevance, are you normal? How can I be attaching my own son name for me to be relevance? My own name. You that is adopted, or you that is nobody even adopt you. You that is using that, you fraudulently using my name, to commit something. You want me that is the originator of that name, my own son name, to see it as I am not, I'm not following the wrong side, wrong part of me, or wrong part of my name, whereas I am the originator, I'm the real owner of that name. That's who I am. This name is who I am. You are just using it to deceive people, lie to people. You are the one faking it. So I should not be ashamed of my own name because you are faking my name. It should be you. DPM COS. has been in autopilot Brgie all this while, not just as a floor member, as a COS of the entire structure. Now you are saying that she's not using it for her relevance, to chase relevance. What about you that is faking it, using it? You should be you that is using it to gain support, because you know that PM and Biafrans, under the leadership of PM and COS, they worked so hard to make Brgie to that thing that Brgie is, that you guys cannot let go. Today, you now hate PM to the extent that you don't even bother to know about anything about him. You don't care to know anything about him, and you want people to see you as a real Brgie. Or different letters I mean abono. Or different letters I mean abono. It doesn't work that way. You are the one faking everything. The moment you guys begin to accept this, your madness is better for you. How can the medicine prescribed for you guys how will it work when you have not even accept that na miracle nebumbe? Everything you have said here, you are actually exposing yourself. Brgie, USB government and COS using the name Brgie because they are the originator. That is the real people that own Brgie. You are fake from the everything that has to do with Brgie. You have actually, altered on it. You have already amended most of them, if not all. From the document to the structure to the names to even the constitution, you don't have bylaw, because you have to create those things for you to validate your fake identity and fake representation. You guys are presenting to people thinking that you can cover everything up. Now, in this part, he said that she's attaching them Brgie to her false post for relevance. Which of the posts is false? We're always on air explaining most of those things, the one we have access to, for better understanding, to throw more light on it, and even open our mic for people to come and contribute. Those of you that don't have negative opinion are shying away from coming in. You don't come. Can I call on your platform and they allow me to make comments? No, but we give you a mic here to talk. You are the one running away. You don't talk. You don't face questions. What will you actually answer when you don't nothing? Muje freedom fighters. You don't know anything to answer. That's exactly why you guys are running away. Now, this person said again, the person who resigned from Brgie, that's from Brgie, can go. That any of them that in this Nkiru have already quitted Ogegere, Committee of Friends, and she landed herself in CRC, which is unfortunate because from how do they say it? From fire to frying pan, something like that, or from frying pan to fire, something like that. No yellow nketa ya gagore away. Ya di fe hu kaneme. Ya di fe kana idino na biya kaneme. So you run away from Ogenkere facing Mamadab. You actually with Ogenkere 2.0. You know what I mean? But that's a story for another day, because some people have been mapped out for destruction. He said the person who resigned from Brgie can go and keep someone together with Honorable Fulani. Total reject. This statement here is like, I don't give a damn about Simon. I don't care, whatever. Read it yourself. The person who resigned from Brgie can go and keep Simon. I always use the word insubordination. Insult, zero regard, no respect, nothing whatsoever. You see how he mentions Simon? The person who resigned from Brgie, from the Committee of Friends, can go, because to him, he thinks he's a Brgie anyway. You know that's madness. That's how madness works. He thinks that he's a Brgie. the person who resigned from Brgie, you are not in Brgie, you should say the person who resigned from the Committee of Friends can go and keep Simon together with Honorable Fulani while we keep Biafra. You can see the choice they make here. To him, PM, because to them, they know that PM, even if they don't know what, if it's what's that war. Ogenkere and Committee of Friends said and believed that PM have made the choice by choosing USB government under the leadership of Her Excellency DPM COS Dr. Areza. That is why the anger is now over the roof, because anger on PM anywhere is not over the roof, because to them PM have betrayed them by choosing Her Excellency COS and abandon Ogenkere. In other hands, those who come from USB government who said that the way USB government is running the government affairs is not actually conducive for them and all that, they ran away, they quitted, they abandoned their office and ran away. And they are now, somehow going back to Imam Madab, which some of them don't accept. But their reaction and their post goes to show that the fact that but that's the stuff another day, like I always tell you. Now, Imam Madabo herself and their group, they believed that PM and USB government has nothing to do with PM, that PM actually don't want to set his eyes on them, that they are actually doing something on their own. Remember, these two ideology or these two, opinion or objective come from people who used to work together. Imam Madam and his republic were together with Isaiah Yogo and his committee of friends in one umbrella called, they call themselves, of course, Fallback Republic. They were together until they started dragging something in space of a few months after forging and altering documents, which Imam Madabo is aware of it. And they started, the reason why they decamp from Ogenkere was not because of forgery of Ogenkere, but because of fund account. Even though the reason why Ogenkere decided to form his get-together group powered by Imam Madabo was because of this account-related issue, because of the clarity that Biafra naturally demanded. One of the things that made Ogenkere to run away and begin to drag this and that, Imam Madabo supported it and all of them supported it, the rally around him was actually because of fund and because of position. The same thing that Biafra questioned Ogenkere of, which Imam Madabo believed that they should have questioned him, is the same reason why Imam Madabo and that camp are now running away from Ogenkere. They used to think alike. Now, both of them have different opinions about the USB government. And all this while, USB government still remain where they are. They have not changed. But Imam Madabo believe that PM is with him and his own group, that USB government, that PM don't want to set his eyes on them. Ogenkere, who happened to be his partner, now they are now think that USB government, PM have made his choice that USB government is with PM. So that's why this one is here to tell you that, look, PM, you can do whatever you want to do, but the CPM, let it be with USB government. I actually don't care. So that's why they said here, this guy said, the person who resigned from Brgie, that from Ogenkere camp, can go and keep Simon Ekpa together, and keep Simon together with Fulani, while them, Ogenkere group of, a committee of friends, to them, they will not keep Biafra. Listen, ever since your Ogenkere started his ATM shenanigan, now he say he's PM, the man have not actually done one thing successfully on his own, like anything, apart from changing document that originated from Brgie. Apart from that part, these people have not done anything on their own. They have not done any single thing on their own. They keep on copying and copying and copying. Everything is copy, amend. they cannot start their own initiative and finish it. Not even one. Imam Madavo have started something and finished it. Today they hired a lawyer from America. Okay, they have not hired anything. The one they claim they hired and is Elias that was hired under PM. They rehired him again. Dabiri rehired again. They have not done anything on their own, not even one thing. Army, copy. Document, copy. Logo, copy. Head office, copy. Name, Brgie, copy. Account, of course, copy. Membership, copy. The way PM position his hand while that dressing their friend, copied. The way he pronounced some words, copied. The way PM after look left and right while talking, copied. The way PM pronounced some word, they have copied it. Everything, copy. And these are people that want you to argue. They want to argue. Anyway, I will keep it short. This is morning video. It's a morning update. I'm going to end it here. Keep your eyes on our live broadcast. We will come and digest it the way it's supposed to be. God bless you. And please make sure you like the video and subscribe to the channel. Let me know what you think about what is going on. All right? Take care of yourself and bye-bye for now. Take care.